In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add scrolling text in WordPress using the built-in block editor without installing any extra plugins. This is perfect if you want to display announcements, breaking news, offers, or important messages that scroll across your page. We'll be using a simple custom HTML block, and by the end of this video, you'll have scrolling text working exactly the way you want. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside the admin area, look at the menu on the left and click on Pages. This will show you a list of all the pages on your website. You can either add scrolling text to an existing page or create a brand new one. For this example, we'll create a new page so everything is clear from the start. Next, click on the Add Page button at the top. This will open the WordPress block editor, also known as Gutenberg. This is where you build your page using blocks. Give your page a title if you want, something like Scrolling Text Demo, but the title itself is optional depending on your design. Now, inside the page editor, click on the plus icon. This plus icon is the block inserter, and it allows you to add different types of content blocks to your page. When the block menu opens, click inside the search bar and type Custom HTML. When you see the Custom HTML block appear, click on it to add it to your page. This is the most important step. Inside the Custom HTML block, you're going to add the code that creates the scrolling text. A simple example you can use is the marquee tag. Type or paste this code. Marquee, behavior equals scroll, direction equals left. Then add your text here and close the marquee tag. You can replace the text inside with anything you want, like welcome to our website or limited time offer. If you want the text to scroll in a different direction, you can change left to right, up, or down. Once you've added the code, click outside the block or use the preview option to make sure everything looks correct. You should now see your text scrolling smoothly across the page. If you want to style it further, you can add inline CSS, like changing the font size, color, or background directly inside the HTML code. After you're happy with how the scrolling text looks, go to the top right corner and click on Update or Publish, depending on whether this is a new page or an existing one. WordPress will save your changes and make the scrolling text live on your site. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to add scrolling text in WordPress using a custom HTML block. This method is quick, simple, and works great for announcements and attention-grabbing messages. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.